Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, starting in 1922, making it the longest hiccuping spree ever recorded. Imagine dealing with constant hiccups for nearly 7 decades. Osborne hiccuped an estimated 430 million times before they mysteriously stopped in 1990. Despite numerous visits to doctors and trying countless remedies, nothing worked. His condition began after a freak accident involving a hog, and while his hiccups often disrupted his life, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal existence, even getting married twice and having 8 children. How did he cope with such an unusual and persistent condition?